AU don set up committee wey go do check for Israel and Palestine wahala. The 35th session of AU don set up committee to do check for the wahala between Israel and Palestine. President Buhari dey this committee and na president of Senegal, Macky Sall, wey be the new AU chairman, na be the head of this committee. The reason for this committee na because of one decision wey Musa Faki Mohammed, wey be the chairman of African Union Commission, make for June, wey grant Israel observer status for AU 2 months after the katakata start between Israel and Palestine. Nigeria and some other African countries no come happy with this decision, na make dem suspend the decision and set up committee wey 7 people dey to observe wetin dey happen. The summit wey come end on Sunday come talk say dem no happy at all as military people dey use force take over government, and dem come suspend Mali, Burkina Faso, Sudan and Guinea sake of say military carry power by force. President Buhari don return to Abuja after this AU summit for Addis Ababa, wey be capital of Ethiopia. Top people for government and that gidigba for airport to welcome Oga Presido. Matthew Ajakaye, TMT TV News.